got a full cup, so it's poppin'. And I keep the tuck, yeah, that's true enough. Thing full of nuts, so sitting watching shit. I got a bad bitch since I'm talking this. Shawty, she mad thick, keep it cautious. She love when I smash it. Got a habit, I might crash it like I'm driving. Never been shady, no, I don't.
Gang, this your girl Destiny back at it with another video. And today, y'all, I came on here to show y'all the new addition to my YouTube equipment family. Y'all, this is called the immobile. Yeah, you see, y'all, I'm coming up in the world. Sure. I had got this. It says it's supposed to help your videos look better or whatever. Yeah, I normally do like an unboxing, and I haven't did one in a long time. That's why I came on here like, let me go ahead and show them that I got this. So today, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna open it and show y'all everything that's in it. So y'all, this is it. And this how it looks. Oh, caught it. So yeah, y'all, this is the little tool. I'm gonna show y'all how it works whenever. Let me take my phone off of here, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it works. But it got a little stand to it, and then it got a little charger as well. So I like it a lot, y'all. It's really neat. I haven't been able to play around with it yet, but from the looks of it, it must look super legit, and I just can't wait to try it out. I didn't hook it up to my whatchamacallit yet. Oh, I barely know how to work it. Oh, y'all. Oh my goodness. And then, hold on, y'all. Yeah, I barely know how to work it, but I will learn. This thing is hard as the L. And I can slide it, but it's supposed to be hooked up to my phone, but yeah, I didn't do that yet. I just got it a couple of days ago. And I was like, ooh, I normally show my YouTube family stuff like this, me unboxing stuff, and I haven't did that in so long, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, so I decided to get on here and unbox this for y'all. I do need to figure out how to work it, as y'all can see, because I do not know how to work it. It came with a little stand as well, so I can just sit it up and do stuff now. So that's good. Y'all, this, I really like it. I just got it was kind of hard for me to show y'all with me like using it, because I don't know how to work it yet. I'm gonna look up some videos and stuff on how to work this. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show y'all my new little, I think it need to be charged. That's why it was tripping, because it was all sideways and stuff. It came with a charger and everything. But yeah, I think it was tripping going all sideways and stuff. But yeah, y'all, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was a little something, not too much. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so y'all can be notified for when I make another lit ass video. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
I got a full cup, so it's poppin'. And I keep the tuck, yeah, that's true enough. Thing full of nuts, so sitting watching shit. I got a bad bitch since I'm talking this. Shawty, she mad thick, keep it cautious. She love when I smash it. Got a habit, I might crash it like I'm driving. Never been shady, no, I don't rock.